So welcome back guys. In the previous lecture we discussed about VS Code, how to install it and how to install the live server. Now in this lecture I'll be telling you about the basic structure of a website. So let's get started. So let's just create a new document and name it as tut2.html. Now either you can manually write the basic structure or you can use a shortcut which is exclamation and press enter. So the basic structure of HTML page will be created, and this feature is very useful which is provided by the VS Code. Now either you can write it manually in Notepad, and which will consume a lot of your time and energy, so it will be better if you'll use the shortcut. Now in the first line you can see doc type. So doc type basically means document type, and in this case it is HTML. So this tells the browser that the file format is HTML. Now comes the HTML starting. So HTML actually starts and then closes with a slash. So if I'll open it, there comes the head tag and the body tag. So in HTML we have head tag and the body tag, and this lang equals to en means language is English. Now in head there are meta tags and title tag. So meta basically means information about other information. So these tags tells information about other information. Basically these tags are used for search engine optimization, and in the later lectures we'll be discussing about meta tags in detail. Now these tags do not have a closing. And now comes the title tag. So title, as you can guess, is the title of our website. Now in this case we'll name our title as my first website. So if I'll just press on go live, so as you can see this is the title of our website, my first website. Now comes the body. So in body there are we can add different tags like the paragraph tag, heading tag, different images, tables and much more. So in the later lectures we'll be discussing each and every single tag in detail, but for now let me just write in our body, this is our body. So if I'll just save it, this will be printed in the body of our website. Now you can actually write comments in between the lines. So let me just write one comment. So you can comment it by pressing control plus slash. So it will be commented. This one was the shortcut, and if you want to write it manually, then you'll have to you can write it as this and then exclamation, then so this will be written. Now you can write any comment in this. So this will not be read by the browser, so this will be ignored. So for now let me just delete it. So the shortcut to comment is control plus slash. In if you are using Mac, then command plus slash. So in the next lecture we'll be discussing about the heading tags and different tags. So I hope you enjoy the lecture.